Alright, so as I said in the introduction, up until this point we've looked at different aspects of HTML5 and JavaScript, and we basically built a pretty much a static site, which was the Blue Developer Directory. We did have some dynamic elements in there, but I just wanted to now create a project that is completely dynamic, uses a little bit more JavaScript, and we're actually going to use a bit of jQuery as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to build this daily planner application, which uses Bootstrap 3 as our HTML5 framework. Alright, gives us a lot of the design tools and things like that with minimal amount of work, easier than just creating something from scratch. So we're going to use that for design, and then for functionality, of course, HTML5, we're going to be using multiple elements. The feature that we'll be using the most is the local storage feature. Alright, that's how we're going to store our tasks in our daily planner. We're going to use local storage, not session storage, so that it'll be in there until we go in and actually clear all the tasks out. Alright, we're also going to use other things. We're going to use HTML5 syntax. We're going to use things like the HTML5 date and time input, and a couple other things as well. So it's a pretty simple application. You can see I have 3 tasks here. Alright, if we want to add an entry, we just go up here and click Add Entry. That'll give us a nice form, which is formatted using Bootstrap. Alright, let's say we want to add dinner with wife, priority. Okay, we'll keep that at normal. The date, we have this nice date drop down, and then the time is really easy to use as well. Okay, so we can just say 6 o'clock, and if I just hit P, it'll go to PM, and we can also use this this arrow thing too. Alright, so we'll submit that, and you can see that that's been added to the list. Alright, if we want to edit, alright, let's say we want to edit this, and we'll change this to dinner with boss, and submit, and you can see that it's now changed. If we want to get rid of it altogether, or it's done, then we can just simply click remove. It'll give us a little confirmation, click OK, and it's removed. Alright, then we also have this button here to clear all our tasks, which again will give us a confirmation, and then they're all cleared. Alright, and they're all stored using local storage. And this can absolutely be an offline application. We're not using any kind of remote database or anything like that. Everything's stored in the browser, so it's ideal for offline use. So that's pretty much it. In the next video, what we'll do is create our initial file structure, and we'll also implement Bootstrap.